Diamond boy, you hear me? Yeah, man, pull up straight to the airport, pick up my brothers, Kodak Black. You know how we do, man. 11 p.m. Diamond boy, man, it's 11 p.m. right now. We at the private airport. Just get ready, drop off flawless diamond grill for my big brother, Kodak Black. I got Johnny Boy be here too. You know my son Johnny. We out here, nice with the Diamond Boy team. That's how we do special customer service. Best of the best. Not only artist, right? If you baller, big money, got a private jet. I came here so many times to drop off jewelry for Drake, you know. Louis Duval, Kodak Black. So let me know, man. That's how we do. Yeah. How you doing, sir? Appreciate you. You just what's up?
He's the master of the grill game.
Damn, it's warm in here.
Yeah, I should. No, let me.
Yes.
Let's get out.
Yeah, man. That's cool, man. Diamond Boy, this is a special moment right here. I got Kodak Black in the PJ, baby. How you feeling?
Glorious.
Yeah, Diamond Boy.
Yeah.
Man, your crew's still badass.
Yeah, for sure.
That's crazy.
They overdue.
I know, but this one is special right here. This is the brand new, the crazy first big JA diamond. Look at it. Yeah, look at it.
Yeah, we glass. Yeah,
Look at that.
We pressure.
So you can see it. Look at it.
Yeah, cause we the trendsetter. Look at my boy right here though. Look at my boy right here.
Yeah. Damn. That's looking good.
Oh, my sweater.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah, like
sir.
you. This you right here.
Yeah.
You see your daddy?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
How do you feel, man? Look
Man,
crazy, huh?
great.
So like we discussed with all white diamond, but you want to switch out with the color one?
Yeah.
That
Yeah,
easy.
you know we the trendsetters, bro.
Yeah.
Me and you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know we started
I
with
ain't gonna
this.
lie, man. You need to hurry up and put these in.
Right.
Prince Vulture.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah. Man, Johnny, that boy, why not? You know what I'm saying? We put a bit of Johnny with my yak sauce. It's lit. It's a zoobie.
I know.
Yeah, we do that. I ain't gonna lie, like your sweater too, my boy.
I appreciate it, man.
Hell yeah. Let me get you on there. Hold on, keep it.
Yeah, he's swag. You know, he got swag.
This the Kodak right here.
Yeah.
This the Kodak behind the lens.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
You Muslim?
No.
Oh, okay. I see the crescent moon on there.
Oh, God, yeah.
It's all right.
Yeah.
I ain't Muslim. I'm Israelite.
Yeah.
I appreciate that, yeah.
Definitely, man. It's so nice, man. This, this history right here. When Kodak just got home, you know, I flew all the way out.
Yes,
Where
sir.
was I? I forgot about that.
I think Arizona or Chicago.
Arizona, Arizona, the first ever ruby, invisible set ruby color.
Yeah,
yeah,
we did that.
We did that.
Yes, sir.
With the big knife, they go so viral. And then they got the invisible set.
Diamond boy.
Yes, sir.
To make it.
Now cap about the honeymoon set.
Yes, sir.
It's love, man. It's family right here.
Yeah, bro.
He flew out here just for the grill.
Yeah,
you know that's a baller.
Yeah.
In the PJ.
PJ.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
All right, so we're heading to the dentist right now. Even 11 p.m. You know how we do.
HBK, Halloween, Bill Kill, and we're going to drop my album. We're dropping that album. We're dropping that album, Halloween.
Oh, wow. The album. So you got a real new album come out?
Yeah, I'm going to drop it.
Nice. That would be big. Yeah. All right, so we're heading to the dentist right now. I have special dentist.
Yes,
open the office just for him, and then we just put it in.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's my boy.
That part. And you can probably place it up.
Show the grill, bro. There we go. Damn, the back there looking dope. Yes, sir.
Do another one with me looking. I want to look.
Oh, shit, my bad. There we here, Diamond boy.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. That's how we do, man. Diamond boy. I know this car is kind of small, you know? Yeah, stop. Không bỏ là escalator.
Got the bill in it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah. And they got the Titan right there.
Yeah. Stop playing, man.
Titan right there.
Yeah.
Titan, man.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, this class right here, boy.
This for real.
This the Kill Bill right here.
Tell us right now, what are you doing?
Boring as fuck, don't know what to do. Just play around with the grill.
And who's that grill for, bro?
It's one of a kind, man. It's the best. Kodak Black in the building.
How many grills has he gotten from you, Johnny?
Damn, that's a lot, man. I did the first one when he just got out of jail. That's crazy long story. Me and Dr. Shea flew all the way to Arizona, right, Dr. Shea?
Yeah.
Wow.
In the middle of desert, some nowhere. Yeah, took his old ass grill off, make the brand new set for him. And after that, he loved it. And then, you know, he come out so excited to make another one. We make so many sets for Kodak.
Does he always get permanent?
Yeah, he always got permanence. And then the very, he's the best, man. All best honeymoon setting. The one in a creation. We got honeymoon setting with the GIA certified.
How'd you come up with the name Honeymoon though? What made you want to call it Honeymoon?
This me and Paul, my partner, sit down. We thinking what we do. When people get married, have one big ass diamond when they get married. And then we go on honeymoon.
What is that? Green? Blue? Is that blue?
Bubble, green, blue. For the, he got, you know, Kodak Black got the album coming out for Halloween. Oh boy, I don't work this one up. No.
How many grills have you think you done?
Oh gosh. I can't even put a number on it.
Man, please don't talk shit. You don't pay IRS.
Hey.
This guy right here.
He's gonna be the biggest podcaster in the world, bro.
I know, you're going there talking shit. I'm going to kick out all people not paying tax. That's what I'm going to do. I pay so much tax, I'd be mad. When I do podcasts, I call everyone who not paying tax. I know the guy, 20 years don't pay $1 tax. I say, what the heck, man? You know what I'm saying? I pay for your road, driving on the streets, and that would be a movie, huh?
Big move.
It's fun to talk about tax too, though. No, for real.
What's the one thing you learned over the years being a business owner, Johnny, about taxes? What's the biggest thing you learned?
The biggest thing you learn, man, that's the only guy I never want to mess with. Uncle Sam. The only one. Yeah, tax is crazy, man. American tax is too much, but the thing is,
So he has his pliers, right? And he's taking his pliers and he's adjusting all the golds.
Wow. So, because he's got the actual physical mold of his mouth, so that's
Yes.
so he's making sure that it goes perfect
Yeah,
over the
because you
tooth.
want all the teeth to be a nice tight fit, you know?
I guess that's what they say. You get what you pay for.
big money. You in the back and in front? Oh, okay. So I mean, this way. Okay, cool.
Bro, you never told me about the shoes though, Johnny, that you got on.
You know, it's a diamond suit custom. We already got 2 pair at the shop.
Really?
Yeah, that big size with diamond.
How much are these shoes? If I wanted
Remember
to
last time I got $900 without a diamond?
what are they made out of?
The real crocodile. The real one.
The real crocodile?
Real one. That's expensive.
It is expensive. And on the diamonds, how much diamonds did you use on the shoe?
It's not that much. I don't even know.
What do you think? How much you think these shoes with the diamonds cost?
Maybe like 2,000.
$2,000 for the kicks. Y'all spending $2,000 on the Johnny Dang Nikes?
Hell yeah, this is going to be
Y'all
good.
need
Look,
to
it's
do
a
a
real
collab,
crocodile. We're about to install this one right here. Special late night for Kodak Black.
Come on.
This is second night. Not tonight. Get me back, man.
Yep.
Oh shit. Diamond boy, we good, we good. How you doing?
What's up, brother?
Yes, sir. I heard you have the show tomorrow.
What the fuck's going on here, right?
Your show tomorrow?
Yep.
Hell no.
Man, you got a good food today? Eating good? Yeah. Hopefully you don't shoot in my car. I got my car right outside. Shit.
I have one part right next to you.
I bring the box for you so you can organize all
Yeah,
your stuff.
hell yeah. Thank you, bro.
Washing jewelry, you know what I'm saying? Organize that stuff is like on point.
You ready? You gonna put them in? Eat up, man. Johnny, what y'all doing? I knew elf walk. I'm with Johnny, nigga. Give me a hug, nigga. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Dennis Robin. Dentist Robin.
Dentist Rodman. You
Yeah,
got that?
that's what it, you know what I mean? Yeah. So she that baby.
We need to
I'm
drop a
trying
song
to
called Dentist Rodman.
Alzina. I'm trying to Alzina. Cool retard. Cool can retard. Man, I want them to be live for 2
It's like my life, man. I'm excited, man. This big motherfucker.
Yeah, ain't no talking, yeah. I done put my meat out, brand new one, got it, yeah. It came with a free wide. I need it out, I work like a smurf. Got these pockets in my knee while I put work.
Yeah, trendsetter, man. You know me and Kodak. Whatever we do, we got a million copycat out there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
It's all good.
Yeah.
We the boss. We can let them, you know what I'm
Authentic,
saying?
imitated, no duplicated. We, I mean, little three.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you Bollywood, you can't leave Bollywood out.
Exactly. The Bollywood is
Yeah,
there.
you can't leave Bollywood out.
Big money. This is what we call honeymoon.
Yeah.
You need only one GIA diamond to get married.
Yeah,
He got a whole man with GIA certified.
Yes, sir.
Diamond,
bro.
Yeah.
Honeymoon. But, you know, we gonna jump the gun before we jump the broom. Fucking honeymoon. Alright. Black and white Riga.
Come on, man.
Let us see.
Let's get to the song. We jump on the park out.
With my boy Robbie Anderson, man. No man, you know, my Z-Day 611. My Z-Day 611. So love to all the Geminis. Love to even baby love right here too. That's a jihad. She don't want to uncover. Hey, you know what I mean? You know, we lit. And then 11/11 Yak Day, everybody come out Palm Beach for free. Yeah, you ain't gotta pay nothing. There's no, just come out and come have fun. Everybody who
I'll be there, very
yeah. Come out, have fun, performances, all that. Free. Like ain't no bullshit.
For sure.
Yeah, you know, you gotta pay to what your car be vibing, man. So every surrounding areas who was probably affected by the hurricane, even if you wasn't affected by the hurricane, come out, come have fun. Come out, have fun, man. You know. Yeah. The senator gave me 11/11. The mayor gave me 6/11 my birthday, and the senator gave me 11/11.
Oh,
You know what I mean?
okay.
Yeah, so we ride
Okay.
with
Come on, man.
With Robert Anderson.
Yeah, we have to go in there. Celebrate.
Every go Halloween, Bill Kill, man, HBK. We out. You said we wanna go do your podcast?
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Go back to the shop, you know?
I ain't kicking them
Collab with all the
I swear I'm
color.
feeling good right now,
Yes,
man.
sir.
Well, I just got a whole new energy. I don't know why I got it from.
You got a diamond. You got a diamond.
Yeah, I'm a diamond boy
Yeah.
trying to make it.
I'm with a diamond boy. Yeah.
I'm running in a blanket.
Yeah. With a diamond boy.
Nigga put that boy in the poolside.
Yeah.
Yo, my boy small, man. I love you though, but we big though. We big, you feel me? We little but we big, you feel me? Ain't you love being small? I love being a little nigga too, bro. You know what I'm saying? We can go anywhere.
Get your autograph, brother.
Okay. Somebody got my lips shiny. I don't know who did it. That was you.
You gotta get a whole
That's
whole section, bro.
I used to say icy white collab.
Sorry, man.
Yeah.
We get together, yes sir, man. Your family, brother.
We won't close it, right? We be like in the same shapes in the U and the C. Ugly corn.
Oh, God.
I found that.
Hold on, baby. Let me see your blade.
Dang. I'm straight in the heart in the race. Yeah. I'm having fun and they step on these niggas and they man I play. Yeah, that was my mama say. Nah, you good. We shining together. We shitting together. You heard me? Yeah. Up on stuff, my boy.
Hey, look at man. His girl shit out of mine. I need to upgrade my girl.
We gonna show we shining together.
Yeah,
yes,
man.
sir. Yeah, I'm with you.
How you feel with your grill?
Yeah, bitch had Dini.
Yeah. You gotta fucking get the best, man.
Yeah. Hold on, get the Nikes though. Get the Air Force.
Yeah.
That bitch said, get on Air Force. You know.
Yes, sir.
Just took anything like Angelo scene.
Stupid hard.
Tell me who could do that.
Yes, sir.
Who out here to come get a grill done? In the peaches.
So I ain't gonna lie, so what? I'll go over these bitches. Ain't gonna be Vietnamese. So I ain't gonna lie. So what your shit is going for real, Johnny? Man, you Vietnam?
Vietnamese, yeah.
Okay, you Vietnamese.
Yeah. Original, baby.
Most definitely. So that ain't like that ain't Korea. That's different from all that. Yeah. I watch my
Asian, but Korean, Chinese, Vietnamese.
I just see a Mexican, motherfucker, Mexican, they from Central America or something. Okay,
Yeah, different country. My boy got an old school camera too. You know, this is vintage here. This is
Yes, sir.
You should get up on the teeth.
For the margin, porn stars and all, they leave your phone inside the car. Yeah, they call me Kodak, but I don't take pictures with groupie. Rappers smoking inside him, I'm in the project smoking tune. Kill a young nigga for no reason, like I'm Zimmerman. When I got my best, made a talk, I was in Birmingham. Tried to eat the meat off the rest, but she fell away. Flying in her.
That's that shit. True in there. I don't know. That there. That Johnny.
Take that motherfucker off.
All of us.
Yeah, Johnny.
Hey,
Do it again there.
Asian gang.
Sometimes I love y'all more than me.
This is for real.
Stacking the paper for all of us.
Yeah.
Three-story house is an article. I hop in the coupe with Monica. Shawty be drinking
Yeah,
my
we
vodka.
saw.
After I hit it,
Bro,
I'm
that's a real Quintana, bro.
Yeah.
Real one. Yes.
Like going right behind me, they
That's
follow
him.
me. They make sure a nigga don't bother me. I be setting up play like an audible. I go down with my
Oh, you said your name in that motherfucker.
Johnny Dead,
Tell me
damn.
hard.
You can come turn to the money where bought me some cheese cream on the dairy king. Baby, drop you a knee. Running with my crew, I feel so big. Fucking with my crew, keep me focused. Where would I be without my family? All this money on me, that's 80 degrees. I hope Bongo 56 came from Vietnamese. I'm
Yeah,
on here
yeah,
for
yeah,
life, right
yeah,
here.
yeah.
Give me lead. Lit just on the road.
Okay, I'm go ride kind of.
Yeah.
Ride kind of style. Fast. Y'all really sound music. Fast. Yeah.
1800 block is every breeze out here. Bitch look like she can't even breathe over there.
If I see her,
Free smoking anybody. I give winning so free smoking anybody.
I hope I'm gonna face this. Came from Vietnamese. I'm gonna have my live my head, bitch. Get on your knees, yeah.
Lit just on the road, 8 ball, big can't sneeze. Ain't just gonna pay, I'm gonna rip your face off on the damn sleeve.